Hey guys, if you're new to this channel and you probably don't know anything about me, I'm a marketer that works for small to medium-sized businesses, and I basically help increase their sales through optimizing their business and generally working with advertising. So if you want to learn a little bit about this, please consider hitting that subscribe button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the video. I really appreciate that. And hopefully you'll enjoy my content. Anyway, let's begin. So when I move into a business for the first time and I start experiencing what they've done with their advertising, I tend to notice this pattern cropping up all the time, and people are missing a real trick when it comes to selling products. So let's say you got a product like this energy drink, right? So I will see an advert that comes out saying, we have this energy drink in stock. Okay, that's great. You're selling to the people who know about this energy drink, maybe people who know about the energy drink brand, all right? But you're missing something, and that is, why does someone want to try a drink? Okay, so think about it like this. Are you feeling thirsty today? Why not come down and enjoy this beautiful, refreshing Aussie lemonade? Okay, so you're thinking more about what's going on outside. Is it a hot day? Yes, so you want something that's going to tempt people to come in. So a sort of emotion which is going to provide a reaction from the customer. So people who have never tried the Aussie lemonade before, they're going to think, well, I'm feeling thirsty, maybe I'll try this. So what you're doing is you're actually reaching a larger audience. Let's say we're talking about incense, okay? Now, I love incense, and if you've never tried incense, you should definitely try camphor wood incense. This stuff is amazing. But you can't just go to people and say, oh, well, we're selling this incense. Who cares, right? So think about it like this. Are you feeling stressed? Have you had a long day at work? Are you tired? Why not try something beautiful and relax to camphor wood incense? Now, one thing you're probably noticing, right, is I'm not using the words buy and sell. Okay, now buy and sell are really problematic because they actually negatively impact on the customer's psychology. Because when you buy something, you have to spend something, and that is a problem. I like to work with flow when it comes to businesses. I like good flow, and anything that is an obstacle, I like to get rid of it. So money is an obstacle. I don't want the customer to think, well, I'm going to have to spend money. Everyone knows subconsciously that they're going to have to spend money anyway. But if you put the word buy in your adverts, that is not a good way to advertise. Because the thing is, whenever someone buys something, and we all love to buy something, right? They have to spend their money, their hard-earned money. So I'm getting rid of those kind of things. I'm saying try something, experience. You want to talk about restaurants, restaurant marketing? I do restaurant marketing. That is the biggest job that I tend to do. It's like, come down and experience a wonderful romantic evening meal. Are you taking someone out for the first time and want her to really remember that evening? This is an evening that you're going to remember for the rest of your lives. Come down to our restaurant. You could put pictures of food up. They're going to do okay. But if you're selling the idea of why somebody wants to do something, think about the last time that you really wanted something, okay? And bring that into your adverts. And this is going to sell a lot better, because what you're doing is you're looking at the fundamental concepts, the things that make people tick, what they really want to do in life, what they want to achieve in life. You're looking at all of these different things and thinking, okay, why does somebody really want this product? Okay, think back to the primal, the thing, the urgent needs of human beings. It's like, okay, we can sell these toiletries. It's boring. Yeah, everybody needs toiletries, and some people might buy. But if you can find somebody, it's like, have you got an interview tomorrow? You're definitely going to want to try this aftershave. Okay, that's better. All right? Because not everybody is thinking about an interview, but, you know, you're going to have somebody who is thinking, oh, okay, maybe I'll try that aftershave, and you may get a repeat customer. So think about it like this. maybe not pick something that's so particular, like niche. It's like if you were trying to just sell that product, you're not a small business and you're just trying to sell that product, you want to pick those kind of customers, right? But when you think about like a general product that can be sold to a huge amount of people, it's like everybody gets thirsty, everybody gets hungry, everybody gets stressed out. Think about these different things which are driving customers in their lives, because that will help drive your sales. It will make things a lot easier. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble now. I tend to, go off on a bit of tangents and things, maybe tell a few stories, go a little bit crazy. So maybe now's a good time to sort of end the video. And if you've enjoyed it, if you've learned something new today, please consider hitting the subscribe button, leave me a comment, tell me I'm going prematurely bold. I love that one. I'm kind of aware of it. It's part of the brand. I did it on purpose. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Take care, and I'll catch you later. Bye.